Good evening, viewers and subscribers. How is everybody doing? This is your girl, Lady Hannah. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to my kitchen. This afternoon, I am gonna make a special dish just for you. Come on over and let's put this one together. This evening, why am my tongue tied up? This dish is called pumpkin takari. So let me show you all of my ingredients. The main ingredients right here is the pumpkin. I have already boiled the pumpkin, so it's tender. Then I have some thyme, some scallion, some grated and chopped garlic and ginger right here. I have some all-purpose seasoning over here, and I have some vegan seasoning over here, and I have some chopped onions, and I have some diced red bell peppers, and I have some saltfish which is already boiled and washed and clean and ready to go in the pot. So let's put this one together. All right, okay, viewers and subscribers, as I said before, today I'm gonna make pumpkin takari. So welcome back. Let us put this one together. Okay, here I have my saucepan. I'm gonna turn the fire on to medium. Okay, and first thing I'm gonna put 2 spoonfuls of coconut oil. I'm using real coconut oil, and it is frozen. It is solid because the time is cold. It is solid. So it can't even come out of the spoon. I'm gonna put the 2. Okay, let's do it that way, since I'm trying to play difficult. Okay, so I'm gonna put another. See if I can scoop out some more. Let me see if I can scoop out some more. Okay, all right, that will do it. Just want to coat the bottom of my pot. Okay, as soon as this is heated now, okay, it's getting warm, it's melting, coconut oil is melting. I don't know about you, but coconut oil have such a nice aroma. It smells so good. Whoever eat dumpling with coconut oil when we were children, man, that tastes so nice. Okay, now that the pot is up, I'm gonna add, first things I'm gonna put in the pot, I'm gonna put my thyme. I put the thyme with the stems because I'm gonna remove it because I want to get the flavor from the thyme. Okay, so put my thyme in the oil. Then I'm gonna put my chopped scallion. Okay, and here is my chopped garlic, and some ginger as well. Put that one side. Let this saute for a few minutes. Then I'm going to add my chopped onions. Stirring for a few minutes. Yes, people, we're making pumpkin takari. Outside is so cold. I don't know what's going on. They say a cold front is passing through, but boy, seems like it's more than cold front. Alright, my onions are sauteed. I am going to add my codfish. What we're making again? Pumpkin takari with codfish. Alright. It's starting to smell so good already. And the rest of seasoning don't go in it yet. Okay, people? And I'm gonna add some, I have some all-purpose here. I'm gonna sprinkle some all-purpose in that. And I am going to put a little turmeric in there. Yes, I'm adding a little turmeric, not much. Just a little turmeric, about a half a, this is a teaspoon, right? About a half a teaspoon. Okay. Stirring in the meantime. Then I'm gonna add, I have some oregano here. You know, I have the fresh one outside, but outside too cold, so I'm gonna use this one. I'm gonna sprinkle just a little of oregano in there. Then I'm gonna add, this is a vegan special seasoning. I'm gonna put a little in there. Okay. Alright. Stir this. It's coming together nicely. Now I'm gonna add my bell peppers. And I am going to add a little black pepper. Not much, just a little. Stir this. Okay, people, this coming together nicely. Saute them. Okay, now I'm gonna remove the thyme sticks. And please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Okay, and leave a comment. Let me know what you think. Okay, now I'm going to add my pumpkin. See, this is my boiled pumpkin. I am going to add my pumpkin to it. Seems like I didn't drain out all the water, but a little bit of water, that won't hurt. Now, I am gonna use my fork and I'm gonna mash. Okay, people? I am going to mash this pumpkin right out. Use the back of the fork and mash the pumpkin right out. Oh, this smells so good. Wow. And you see the color with the bell peppers and the scallion, the green of the scallion and the red from the bell pepper and the orange color from the pumpkin. It is so pretty. Yeah, man, this is pretty. Okay. Yeah, I think that's mashed out enough. So now we're gonna combine. I put the fire on low. So we're gonna combine. Why am I burning up myself? Okay, so we're gonna combine all the herbs and everything together. This smells good. I'm gonna add a little cayenne pepper to this. I am not much of a pepper person, but I want a little taste of a little cayenne pepper in it. Okay. So I'm mixing everything together. This is how pumpkin takari supposed to look. So I'm gonna turn down the fire. Well, the fire is already turned down. I'm gonna leave it. I'm gonna taste it first and see if it want nothing or if it short or anything. It could have used a little salt because I had boiled the saltfish and all the salt boiled out of the fish. So I'm gonna put a little salt. I'm gonna sprinkle, and I'm using pink Himalayan salt. I'm gonna sprinkle just a pinch over it. Okay, and I'm gonna turn it down on low and let it just go and simmer down for a few minutes. And there you have it, pumpkin takari. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Okay guys, I hope you can see in the pot. See? Pumpkin takari. I will be back shortly to let you see the finished dish. Okay, see you in a bit. Okay, there you have it, people. My pumpkin takari. This goes well with white rice, but I don't want any white rice, so this is how I'm having it. So thanks for watching. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share, and leave a comment. This is a girl, Lady Anna, out. Until next time, have a beautiful day.